Has this ever happened to you where one day your chives are fine and the next day they're infested with aphids? Ew. This is so gross. I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd. I'm going to show you how to deal with it in 3 easy steps. Aphids show up on plants when they're weak in some way, either drought stress, heat, or some other nutrient issue that's keeping the plant struggling. Put on gloves for this one because it's going to get messy. There are 3 steps to take care of this problem, and you can repeat this process as much as you need to until your plant recovers. Step number 1, eliminate the food source. So that means taking away most of the plant so that the aphids have nothing to feed on and they'll have to go somewhere else. So I'm going to take these chives and cut them down to about 1 inch above the soil level, just like this. And all these aphids are going in the green bin. Now that you've taken away all of the food source for the aphids, step 2 is set your hose nozzle on kill. That's the stream setting, and jet blast the hell out of these. You may want to put on a parka or something, you know, to protect yourself because you're going to get wet. These chives already look so much better. Now you may need to repeat the jet blasting every single day for a week, and then that will help keep them from coming back. But the 3rd and most important step in this process is to put down worm castings, because if you have watched any of my other videos, you know that I use worm castings not only as a food but as a pest control because they have enzymes in them. It's called chitinase. And chitinase is taken up by the plant and helps to ward off sucking insects like aphids, mealybug, whitefly, and a bunch of other stuff. So take worm castings and place it around your chive plant, scratch it in with your fingers, and then water again. And that will help fortify your plant and help it come back. With the infusion of worm castings, plus a little TLC from you jet blasting during the week, these chives will grow back beautiful and aphid-free. I did another video about how to do this for other vegetables. You can check that out up there. And of course, visit gardenerd.com for more information about pest control, or check out my online course on pest control, Creating a Healthy Garden. While you're there, check out my other books, and of course, consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Gardenerd. Patreon supporters get access to behind-the-scenes goodies and monthly hangouts with me. Happy gardening!